Well, hey everybody, how you going? Welcome to the channel, welcome to Off the Couch. My name's Daryl. So I have brought you guys to Millwater, and I'm really sorry I'm so close to the camera. It's raining, and yeah, I thought we'd go for a rain walk, all that sort of stuff. So I'll spin you guys around, which is actually no easy task, by the way, holding onto an umbrella and a gimbal. And so to spin you guys around, I have to do this. So excuse my ugly mug. Got to rest the camera on my head. And then, there we go. Righty-ho. So we are in Millwater in Auckland. So you've got Silverdale, and it's basically right next door. And then after that, just to confuse people, we've got another suburb to the side of it called Milldale. So we're not in Milldale, we're in Millwater. I thought I'd take you guys for a quick stroll. Millwater's up and coming, I suppose. It's it's been around for a little while now, 5 or 6 years, maybe 10 years. It's up and coming, $1 million homes, got to have deep pockets, all that sort of thing. So I thought I'd spin you guys around, show you, and we'll go for a walk. I'm just going to adjust the exposure a bit. There we go. Boom, boom. I don't even know if that's working. So I hope you guys have been doing really well. For your tech nerds, I've got a Saramonic USB-C mic plugged into the USB-C port here, and I've discovered it's quite sensitive. So I just did a little silent video of my same thing, different area, walking in the rain, and man, it picked up the rain hard. So I don't know if you can hear the rain or not. If you can, cool. A few people there sipping on their lattes. Nice day for a coffee, I guess, to warm me up, eh? Right, so obviously here you've got the shops. We'll scan around. We've got Kingsway College there in the distance, which is a Christian school. And then we've got, just more ahead there, is Silverdale School. Not sure if it's a Christian school or not, I don't think it is. So every time I come here, there seems to be more shops added. So it's definitely up and coming. Alright, so just getting a little personal with you guys now. The channel's been a bit slow. I was averaging anywhere from 5 to 13ish subscribers a day. Now it's stopped. Maybe get 2, 3 a day, maybe 1. What is it that you think needs to change with the channel? Is it my ugly face basically that's stopping people subscribing? They come on to a walking channel and they hear, "G'day, how you going?" Is it that? Should I just keep my face out of it? What is it? You know, be honest. If I have to turn this into a faceless walking channel, that'll be hard. The reason I put the face to it was basically I'm hoping it's going to go somewhere. and people need to see a face. You know, if I'm doing a walkthrough of somebody's business or complex or a venture centre or something like that, you know, it's a bit hard to explain that in text form. So just sort of put a face to it. If it goes somewhere, then people know who I am and I can promote a business or something like that. Yeah, just let me know. It'll be hard to hear probably. You guys have got to be honest with me. Preferably, I'd like to keep it, you know, one video is a vlog, the next week it's a non-silent one. That way it's the best of both worlds for me and everybody. Technically I'm jaywalking. Whoops. So we'll go up for a bit of a walk through the side streets here and I'll show you guys all the flash houses, eh? Yeah, I don't know if I could live like this, eh? You know, you fart and your next door neighbour can hear it. I'm a music head. I like to have my music quite loud, so I wouldn't last 5 seconds in these. There's always roadworks going on here. Always something happening. I don't know how well you can tell, but oh man, this road's quite steep. Let's check this road out, eh? What's it called? Copal Lane, Copple Lane. Look at them all up there, all looking exactly the same. Yuck. Right, I'm done walking up hills, so we'll head back down, eh? So you've got sea views, if you can see or not, but you've got the sea right there. So it'll look quite nice when the tide's in. Sorry about the vibration, it's just a gimbal handle hitting the umbrella. So this is weird sort of weather, like there's rain, but there's absolutely no wind. Oh, there's a fraction wind now because that flag's starting to blow, but earlier on there was just no wind. Normally in New Zealand you get lots of wind and lots of rain, but you don't often get wind without rain without wind. It's quite nice. Please do. Get off your phone, lady. It's illegal to drive with your phone here. But people just don't care. So we're basically done a big circle. That's the calf that you saw at the start of the video. Alright guys, so yeah, jump on in the comments and tell me what you think. Should I do the silent walking channels or should I do the vloggy type things? Some people have said they like it when I sort of give a bit of information about the area I'm in. Some have said they don't. I'm going to be honest with you all, when this truck goes past, I'm feeling quite disheartened. So apparently 90%, according to my analytics, 90% of people who watch my video aren't my subscribers. So generally what happens is people subscribe, they might watch maybe 1 or 2 videos, and then that's it. You never see them again. So I know I'm not the only person on YouTube, but I'm feeling quite disheartened. Like, the subscribers have just stopped. People don't seem to care really. So, I mean, you know, I'm working, I'm a family man, I've got commitments to church as well, and I'm doing all sorts of stuff outside of this channel. So, just let me know your thoughts. Am I wasting my time? Are my videos any good? Are they not good? How are they different to other channels? Yeah, I'm just feeling a bit stink, eh? So, yeah, if you are considering subscribing to this channel, thank you so much. But please don't do it unless you actually intend to watch the videos. Because I put a lot of work into editing them and walking and sort of working around everything else. But it is great to have you here. So, cheers for those that are loyal and watch my content. Give us your feedback, as I said, and we'll see you on the next one, eh? Sorry to be a negative Nancy. Sorry if your name's Nancy. Sorry to be negative, but I just need a bit of feedback from people. I ask for feedback, I get none. And so I'm a little bitter, and you know, the Christian in me is trying not to be bitter. But yeah, it's just a bit hard. So thank you. I hope the rest of your day, whatever you're doing, is fantastic. And I'm going to go home and get dry. Okay, see ya. How do I stop this thing?